kids in the car! I got my 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 kids in the car, bitch!
You want to put her in the car?
You get my kids! You get my kids! Give my kids! Give my kids! Give my kids! Give my kids!
On August 4th, 2024, in Palm Springs, Florida, officers conducted a high-risk felony vehicle stop. The encounter raises core questions of constitutional law and police procedure.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Turn around. Turn around and put your hands up. Turn around and put your hands up. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright, donkey flies 3 times. Come over here. Come over here. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I have my kids in the car.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me. Get the f*** out of me. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car, man. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car, bitch.
You want to put her in the car
You
second
have to
system?
get my kids. You have to get my kids. Give my kids. Give my kids. Give my kids. Give my kids.
Get you going?
Give my kids, bro. Give my kids. Yada, hold on.
Stop.
Yada, calm down. Yada. Yada. Yada, hold on.
Hey, you up? You too, nigga. Turn around. What up, nigga? Stop.
Calm down.
Yeah, one
Calm
second.
down. Are the babies in here?
Yes.
Oh my God. She just pulled up. They came behind. What happened?
They started following us. Come on. My car. Yeah, children. Hey. Come on, relax. We'll figure it out.
Mom, I'm at Mom, call Kiara's mom. Call Kiara's mom. I'm at Kiara's aunt's house in Palm Springs. Damn, it's gonna get fucked up.
I'll put it in the car, don't worry about it.
Can you grab my phone? Can you grab my phone?
I'm gonna grab it for you.
Can you please grab my... Oh my God.
Hey, turn around.
Yo!
Hey, relax.
Grab my phone! Grab my phone!
Hey, put the phone in the car.
Oh my God, bro. My shit for the break, bro. This shit lame as fuck, bro. Are y'all serious, bro? You started choking her, bro?
I didn't choke her. I grabbed her because she started fighting me. All she had to do was comply, and it wouldn't have gone that way. So, sit tight.
Can I get the babies out?
Do me a favor, just step back for a minute, okay?
Let's go stand under.
Actually, you got a porch we can stand under, man?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, I'll get it. Yes. Oh my God. What happened?
I don't know, ma'am. They'll talk with you shortly, okay?
Okay. I'm literally vacuuming and I see this car pulled up and I just literally make them tell my husband and my son, "Oh, somebody just got pulled over right in front of the house."
Do you know
And then
them?
I see, yeah, she's my niece.
Okay.
I'm just calling her mom.
And wait. And where's your niece right now? Is she secured in the car?
She's in the car.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, alright. So the children, you're familiar with these children?
Yes.
Do you mind holding on to them?
Absolutely. I want them. Absolutely.
Alright, give us a second.
I have no idea. Nobody's
Okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
Get an umbrella, babe. She got the babies in the car. Can I get them out? Can I get the babies out?
1 second, ma'am.
Hold on, babe.
Is the vehicle running?
I don't even know.
It's running, sir.
Yeah, she's my niece.
Okay.
I didn't even know what was going on. I just seen somebody pulled up.
Just don't touch anything in the vehicle. Just grab the baby, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Come around this side.
Come around this side.
I won't.
Thank you.
There's a little baby here too.
Oh my, babe, I need the umbrella.
Let me grab my raincoat. Got an umbrella? You and that one. That won't work.
I got it, sir.
Got it? I got one in the back. Oh, that one's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah, dude. Well,
You want to use it anyway?
appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Hold on, man.
Bro, get me the f out of here. Bro, get the get my f***ing kids! Get my babies. They drink seven ounces of milk.
What?
They drink 7 ounces of milk.
Okay, what happened?
I don't know. I don't f***ing know.
Okay. Alright, your mom's on her way here.
All right, take care of my babies.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Who's the District 1 Watch Commander?
Are you taking me out? Give me.
Let me check your coach real quick. Yeah, come on out.
You guys are ridiculous. I don't talk to nobody. Look at my kids. Y'all are crazy, bro. Y'all are crazy, bro. Take the shit off me. Y'all are crazy, bro.
Put your feet aside.
Why are you not taking me out?
Check your cuffs for you. What's your name, ma'am?
Kiara, I don't need you to check my cuffs. Take me out.
How do you spell your first name?
Kiara. I can't show because you got my kids, bro.
Your aunt has your kids, okay? Calm down, okay? And then we're going to explain to you what's going on. Give him your information.
All right, are you going to take me out?
No, you're not coming out right this second. Okay?
All right, Kiara, Kiara.
And we'll get your knee fixed.
I don't need that. I don't care. I don't care. I need my kids.
What's up? Hey.
96 Fox B, it says the 41 at Publix.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. What happened to your knee?
Nothing. I don't care. I don't want y'all to touch me. Give me my kids. Get me out of here.
Do you want EMS?
No.
Okay.
Brother, can you just...
Do you want them to
No.
check you out?
No.
Perfect attitude. Okay.
He's gonna take a picture of you now.
Well,
All right. Are you like? What are we doing? Because y'all don't talk.
Well, you're being placed
And
under
you tackle me for no reason. You ain't even saying nothing. That should be illegal. Are you gonna tell me what happened? What am I here for? Ridiculous, but this is your fault because you don't talk. That's why y'all are f***ed up. Y'all don't say nothing to nobody, and then you tackle me for no reason. You're the reason why I need medical help. Why the f*** did you do that to me? I'm not knowing what's going on, and y'all f***ed me up. Now I gotta go to jail. What? I don't know nothing that's going on, and you tackle me, and that's the reason why I need medical. Right, because you don't talk. I can't listen if you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No, you need to speak then. Bitch, you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. What's going on? Put your hands on the shit, and then you tackle me, bitch. Be so for real. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm innocent. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm a f***ing victim, and y'all treat me like shit. I need my kids, bro. I need my chits, my children. Are y'all crazy?
No, I'm sorry I had to go down that way.
Yeah, are you?
But
Fuck up. You're sorry you had to go down that way. You should change your approach to people. Hi, you're gonna be. Can you get out the car, please? We need to tell you what's going on. No, get out the f***ing car. Like what?
okay, do you realize that this vehicle that you were driving is involved in a shooting?
No, I didn't. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know nothing.
So I had no time to explain to you what I'm doing.
You got no time.
Now I do, and now I'm explaining it to you. But at the time, you can't just sit there and not listen to me.
That's
when
crazy.
The vehicle is involved in a shooting. So I think the occupants of the vehicle are armed. So I'm going to take the necessary things that I have to do to make sure I'm safe. You understand that? I'm not trying to be a douche. I'm not trying to be a dick.
but that's how it went down. You weren't listening, so now you get to go to jail. I mean, I'm sorry. All you had to do was say, okay.
Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may detain on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. United States versus Hensley extends this authority to vehicles flagged by another agency's BOLO. A shooting bulletin supplies that suspicion. The initial seizure is constitutionally valid. Pennsylvania versus Mimms authorizes officers to order any occupant out of the stopped vehicle. The textbook call-out sequence here satisfies every Fourth Amendment requirement. Use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. Severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance form the three Graham factors. A shooting predicate weighs the severity factor heavily in favor of cautious force. Florida Statute 76.5 authorizes any force reasonably necessary to effect a lawful arrest. An empty hand takedown sits low on the force continuum and is generally defensible. Florida Statute 843.01 criminalizes resisting an officer with violence as a third-degree felony. Section 843.02 covers nonviolent resistance as a first-degree misdemeanor. Tillman versus State, a 2002 Florida Supreme Court ruling, narrowed what counts as obstruction. Mere argument, questions, or failure to cooperate does not constitute willful obstruction. The state must prove knowing and willful interference with a lawful duty. Confusion is not a crime. Profanity directed at police is constitutionally protected speech. City of Houston versus Hill confirms First Amendment protection for speech aimed at officers. The critical legal weakness here is the 9-minute delay in explaining the predicate. Graham reasonableness presumes officers will share information once the scene is tactically safe. Florida law does not require explanation, but professionalism doctrine and policy do. The framing, "you weren't listening so now you go to jail," is legally and ethically problematic. Arrest must rest on the shooting investigation or actual resistance, not on encounter friction. Florida Statute 39.401 governs child custody when a sole caregiver is taken into custody. Placement with a relative on scene, as occurred here, is the legally preferred outcome.
And we'll figure it out later.
Well, I'm asking you politely, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? You're not telling me what's going on. Now I have to be without my kid because you're a face. You're a dummy. You don't know how to speak to people. You don't know how to speak to people. That's not cool.
All you have to do is listen.
How old are you?
Doesn't matter.
You're not old enough, obviously. You need to grow up. You don't know how to speak to people. What is that? Just because you're a troll don't mean you can treat people any way you want.
You don't know how to listen.
Come on, seatbelt. Work with me, huh? Let me know if it gets too hot, because I turned it up, okay?
That's fine.
You feel the hot air?
No.
Should be blowing right on you.
No.
No?
Maybe my hair is... I don't feel it. Oh, there it is. Yes.
Okay. Are you good now?
Yes. Does jail look like the movies?
Uh-huh.
Does jail look like the movies? Like,
It depends.
is there multiple floors?
Uh-huh.
Is there multiple floors?
Yes.
I'll be like going into a room with somebody.
I really couldn't tell you because once we give you to the jail deputies, we don't go any further.
Oh, it feels so good.
What happened?
Feels good.
Easy.
Officer grade, C+. Lawful stop and reasonable force undermined by communication failures. Subject grade, C. Confusion does not excuse noncompliance during a felony shooting bolo. Department grade, incomplete. Public records insufficient to evaluate policy or training response. Lesson 1. Explain the predicate the moment the scene is tactically contained. Lesson 2. Comply first, litigate later. Florida grants no right to resist a lawful stop. Lesson 3. Arrest language must reflect the underlying crime, not officer frustration. Lesson 4. When children are present, threat calculus must shift toward de-escalation. Lesson 5. Assert rights through court motions, never through physical resistance on scene. Lesson 6. Bodycam audio is evidence for both sides. Words spoken on scene live forever. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you want analyzed next in the comments below.